Callie with Adventure Rig, and this is a cheap Amazon case we used to use to store our GoPro equipment in. We have made an insane upgrade from this to the 2.8 liter TechCapsule made by PHOOZY. This is leaps and bounds better than what that cheap Amazon case did for us, and let me tell you why. Tyson and I constantly find ourselves in some extreme weather conditions, whether it's on our motorcycles in the Mexican desert or in the cold and snow in Colorado skiing and ice climbing. That's where this really comes in handy. Not only does this help keep you extremely organized, but it's also going to protect your gear. Most recently, we took a motorcycle trip down to Mexico and Central America where it was very hot and humid. And unfortunately, because we did not have this and we were not storing our gear properly, we lost 3 GoPro batteries to that heat. They swelled up and they wouldn't hold a charge anymore. We were left with only 1 or 2 batteries for the remainder of the trip, which was a huge bummer. But now moving forward, we can eliminate that issue with the TechCapsule. One thing that I love about the TechCapsule over other cases, like the cheap Amazon one I showed you, is that this is going to protect your gear from cold and heat. So the outer layers reflect heat. The inner layers are going to insulate it. So whether you're in the cold or the heat, your gear is protected. In the cold, the TechCapsule is going to extend the life of your batteries up to 4 times as much without the TechCapsule. I know that I'm really hounding the fact that we put camera gear in here. That's just what it works best for us, and that's what we use it for. But the TechCapsule has a ton of different uses. For example, camera gear, like I've mentioned, everyday carry items such as a wallet, phone, tablet, chargers, passport, and anything along those lines. Also, aviation gear. Tyson just got an ADS-B receiver for his airplane. This would be an awesome place to store all of your aviation gear that you need for your airplane. Again, there are just a lot of different uses you can use with the TechCapsule. There are also a few different ways to carry the TechCapsule. So as you can see, there's this handle here at the top. There's also a strap that you can use over the shoulder. You could use it as a fanny pack. Lots of different ways to use the included strap. And my personal favorite are the straps on the back. Because we use the TechCapsule so much on the motorcycles, this is awesome for us. You can see these straps here, so you have different attachment points on the back of the TechCapsule. All of our motorcycle gear uses MOLLE attachment points, so we can easily attach this to anything on the motorcycles and easily access our gear and know that it's going to be protected as well. Now, of course, I need to show you guys the inside of this, and while it keeps our gear protected, it also keeps us really organized, which I love. In the front pocket, you can see we have a zippered mesh pocket here, which is great for batteries, cords, anything of the like, and also a place to securely store your keys. And then on this side, you can see we have these elastic organizers. These are great. We have an external battery here and also an external hard drive. So anything you want to put in here, it's going to stay nicely organized and in place throughout the day. This is just how we like to have it organized, but again, you're going to make it how you want it. The back pocket is a little bit larger, although it does not open up fully like the front pocket, and it does have some organization points in it as well. It has a zippered hidden pocket on the front part of it, and then 2 elastic mesh pockets on the back edge, which is great for a camera or a GoPro. I have 2 GoPros in here, a charger, a camera, and then again, this hidden pocket in the back is great for cash or a passport. What I really like about the TechCapsule is that it seems like a simple product, but it's built with a lot of tech and it's highly functional. This is going to protect our gear on any adventure that we may be heading out on in the near future. Also, be sure to check out PHOOZY's Apollo 2 and XP3 phone cases. Those are using all of the same technology, but in a slimmer, smaller package to protect your cell phone. If you use our link on PHOOZY products, we do get a small kickback and we really appreciate that support. Also, be sure to find us on Instagram at Adventure Rig because we are going to be giving away an Apollo 2 by PHOOZY over there in the coming weeks. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them in the comments section below. I'm Callie with Adventure Rig.